Hello everyone, this is Frank again, and today we're gonna draw the first of our Looney Tunes. The first one I decided to draw was Marvin the Martian, and Marvin is gonna be composed of some very simple shapes. And we're gonna start with the usual circle for the head, and we're gonna draw a couple of lines just to define his pose. Here I'm measuring the size of his body in relation to his head, so I suppose he's gonna be about this tall. I'm gonna draw a line for the ground. I don't have to necessarily respect it. I'm finding the center for his face. He doesn't have a nose, and if you have watched some episodes from Duck Dodgers, you will see that he doesn't have any facial features apart from his eyes. Moving on to his body, I'm just going to draw a curved line for his back. This is gonna be his back actually, and his arms are gonna come from here, which is gonna be the shoulder. So it's gonna be wider near the shoulder, and it's gonna get narrower near the elbow. Okay, for now the hand is just gonna be a circle. The other hand is gonna be behind it. I represent it with another half circle. Now he's gonna have a skirt, and his skirt for now it's just gonna be an oval just below his waist. I'm gonna draw two lines to give it some depth and make a curved line at the bottom. So here I'm making a few divisions for his skirt, so it looks like it's been cut. His legs are gonna be wider on top and narrower close to the end, and then he's gonna have really big feet. If you think our content has some value and you can learn something from it, or if you just think it's fun to watch, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's very important for us, and it helps us keep our regularity and improve the quality of our videos. So please hit the like button, subscribe, and activate the bell for nearly daily videos. So we're gonna make this line on the side, and there's gonna be an oval here next to his ankle. Now here I'm drawing an imaginary nose, and from this point I'm going to start drawing the eyes. His eyes are gonna have an evil look like this, and let's not forget, this is the only way to know his facial expression, and for this reason his eyebrows are gonna be really big. Let me just define the direction for his eyes, and then I'm going to start drawing the helmet around this circle I've made. There is a circle on the side. Now to give it some idea of depth, I'm gonna repeat the lines on the bottom. I'll draw a couple of curved lines here, and then I'm gonna draw a circular shape on the back of his head. Now there's gonna be the brush on top of his head. So I use the principle of a cube to try to make it look three-dimensional. And now let's draw his laser gun. Very simple, just a few cylinders and ovals. And now the fingers from the other hand are just coming over the one on the front. And that's the basic sketch. It's time to cover the external lines. Follow me. Now that's what we have to work on. Get your material and let's start coloring it. So the medium is gonna be up to you. It could be colored pencils, crayons, paints, felt tip pens, markers, whatever you have. And that's all, folks. I think Marvin the Martian is ready to conquer. And well, if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching it up to this point. Stick around a little longer and see the suggestions YouTube is gonna give you. I hope to see you guys on our next tutorial. Bye bye. See you soon.